Finally, YouTube has launched the Shorts monetization feature. You will get revenue or money for your short videos from YouTube. YouTube has also launched a total of 5 features. So, in this video, I will try to cover the short monetization feature. Let's start. First, big shout out to the YouTube Creators channel. Here I noticed this news for the first time. So as it was said from the beginning, you can apply for monetization only if you complete 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views. Once eligible, you will get the apply button. You can apply for monetization by clicking on apply button. If everything goes well, then you will get monetization. You will be happy to hear that. Channel reviews are nowadays completed in much less time than before. Many are confused about one thing. Note here, there are 3 conditions in total: 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch times, and 10 million short views. Many people think that these 3 conditions must be fulfilled together. But no, 1,000 subscribers are fixed here, and the remaining 2 conditions have been made optional. That is, you have to fill any one of these 2. If you have 1,000 subscribers and can reach 10 million views on short videos in the last 90 days, last 3 months, then you will be eligible for monetization. On the other hand, you have to alternatively complete 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 365 days. Last 1 year or more in videos. This way you will be eligible for monetizing. That's why short video watch times are not added to our channel. So it was like today. Hope you like the video. Leave a comment on the video and let me know how you feel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to get more updates. Goodbye.